Hey guys, it's me, Rostam. In today's episode, you'll be seeing another project from our latest sample pack, Progresso. If you want to produce progressive house track fast, make sure to check this one out. Link is in the description down below. Alright guys, let's get into it. Okay, for the lead, we have this. Without the effects. With it. And for the chord, we have two different piano layers. And then we have some guitar. And for the low frequency, we have three layers. Let's take a listen. Then we have some kicks, ride, clap, tempering, hi-hat, all together. Some downlifter and atmosphere layers together. And then we have a few. And that's it for today's video. If you want to ask something about this sample pack, let me know in the comment down below or in my Discord server. Alright, I hope you guys have a great day. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.